Hi, welcome Priya. Upload videos twice a week on fashion, styling, reuse, beauty, DIYs, stitching and tailoring. Today's video is on Diwali ideas. In this video, Festival of Lights, Rangoli designs, restyling wisely, sweets and gifting and posing for Diwali is Festival of Light. So first thought about Diwali is lightning. We do all lighten our homes and we lighten either on the planters, on the green leaves, and other on the grill. Hope you too do the same way, and I feel this is how good it looks. Now next, Rangoli designs are put up usually by Rangoli powder and by flowers. Here I am sharing few pics which I have done myself in the past few years. Now these Rangoli designs are recently replaced by the Rangoli stickers and now by the plastic designs which are easily available in the market. This have stickers or tapes which can be easily sticked anywhere, but we prefer using it as it is. Here I have shared two ideas of decorating. One I have placed it on a small stool and another I have just placed it as it is. This is how we decorate these Rangoli stickers. And it looks good. I have at present two of them. The next coming, what to wear during Diwali. This is a big struggle as we need to dress up great, and secondly we can't afford buying every time a costly and a heavy dress as we won't be wearing it throughout the year. Here I am sharing two ideas of two dresses which I have restyled it again. The first one is 2018 November, where I have paired as it is how I received and I purchased it. I have styled it as the model was styling when I bought it from an online shopping site. The next one is I have used the same lehenga, but I have changed everything right from the purse, the bangles, the hair accessories, earrings and dupatta. The dupatta is the same Chanderi silk dupatta which I have shared in my how to pair a red chudidar in different ways. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. Please do check out. Coming to the look, when I restyled it, nobody even noticed and got to know that I was pairing the same dress. In fact, I got a good compliment that I was looking good and I carried the lehenga well. This dress I brought it for a marriage and it is a complete anarkali gown floor length, so I couldn't mix match it with any other. So I kept the dress as it is, just styled the dupatta in the other way, kept my hairs open for the first look and tied it at the back for the second look, and then I changed the necklace, earrings, the bangles, watch, everything to the footwear to complete the look, and this too looked well. I carried this dress in Diwali and the previous one for the marriage. Both lehenga and the anarkali gown I have restyled it after a year, making it difficult to spot out that I was restyling the same dress. This is how I could use the heavy and precious dresses or costly dresses to restyle it at a special occasion. Now coming to sweets and gifting. Now we all prefer making homemade sweets. Now for gifting, I do have an idea and I have done it previously. I prefer buying boxes, decorative or simple, however possible, and then add in sweets and just gift it that way. As you can see in the video, I have added one homemade sweets box and the other is biscuit, laddus or chikkis, whatever you wish to. Now if you don't prefer giving a box, instead you can just add it up in a shopping bag or any slim bag or any other purse kind of, so that they can use that bag or purse later on also, which will be useful. Now posing for the picture. After all, you are ready so much, decorated the house, then everything is looking good. You feel like getting a perfect picture. Here too, I have added two of my previous Diwali photos which I felt are a bit perfect, and you might get an idea from this. The first one is where I'm clicking a photo next to a rangoli which I just completed, and next one is near a lightning. These two are the best ways I feel we can get a perfect picture for the Instagram, Facebook, wherever we would like to upload. And yeah, that's it. So wishing you all guys a happy Diwali.